at 7.
I'm Joy. I'm a mother, that's first and foremost. I'm curious, always curious. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and I'm an inventor. So when I'm designing product, it's all about making everyday life simpler. I guess that's just how I look at things. I find a lot of inspiration from just living my everyday life. And I think, boy, every day's a gift. Make joyful discoveries every day.
Tis the season.
Do I hear sleigh bells?
It's the holidays at HSN. Celebrating 40 years
Of merry.
And we're making spirits bright.
Time to eat, drink,
and be more merry.
it's more of everything you wish for.
Don't forget the presents.
Gift? Get?
Repeat.
Santa has elves?
You have us.
Let's get this holiday party started.
More gifts,
More brands.
More friends.
More merry.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for shopping with us here on this wonderful weekend. My name is Brett Schuckerman. It's so much fun in the building. Joy and I were just talking about kids. Her grandkids, my kids, debating whose is more beautiful. They're all gorgeous and smart and wonderful, as is Lori Leland's son, who's going to join us in a moment. In fact, come on out here.
Hi.
It's a great big family party today. When
So
Joy's in
fun
the
when
building,
Joy's
we're
here.
all smiling and having a blast. So let's talk about your home for a minute, right? Joy's getting you set up with your towels, with your air purifiers. Maybe
Wow.
she's calling us right now to tell us exactly. That was fast.
We're already receiving phone calls.
Okay,
We're
so
popular.
here's the thing. If you shop at HSN, if you have hangers in your closet, they're Joy hangers. If you have a mattress pad on your bed, it's a concierge collection. If you have great home phones, they're Panasonic. They're our #1 top-selling brand. If you don't have Panasonic phones in your home, it's like upgrading to Joy. It's like you got to get better phones than what you already have. And what we have for you today is an exceptional one-time value. First of all, they come in gorgeous decorator colors. You can get rose gold accented phones. You can get beautiful navy blue accented phones.
Pretty.
And of course, you can get the standard black. Now, color schmuller, what matters most of all is its Panasonic quality. It's got built-in call blocking, so at a touch of one button, you don't need an extra device. Telemarketers can stop. The robocallers can stop. You never have to worry about those calls coming in again. You get 4 handsets today. It even can sync to your cell phone so that you can leave your cell phone charging and take and receive phone calls from your cell number on your landline phones. It's an exceptional, one-of-a-kind, better than innovative set from Panasonic. We're doing a special sale price because Panasonic loves us and gives us great special deals. And I want to show you what a great deal this is so you truly understand, okay? 1 handset, just 1. Here it is. The premium features that Panasonic puts into their cordless phones, they're worth $50 each. And you get 4 today. For under $100, free shipping, flex. If your phones are covered in spaghetti sauce, if they're always crackling, if the batteries are old and dying, or if they're just not gorgeous rose gold or navy, this is a day to get a phenomenal, wonderful, upgraded, brand new set of phones that have more features than you would ever expect on home phones.
So many features, and here's what I love about it too. Not only the great decorator-friendly colors that we're launching for the very first time ever, so you have something that's not an eyesore, it's totally beautiful. I love that rose gold. It's that crisp white, but then with that little touch of detail, it's stunning. But the really nice thing about this is bigger buttons and less of them. So it's more streamlined, it's easier to use. You're getting this great little docking system right here. This is your main base, but look how small it is. So this is a small footprint. This can go anywhere in your home. It's very, very simple and beautifully laid out. And we love Panasonic. They're the #1 top global brand when it comes to home phones. And here are all the features that you're getting. Some of the biggest screens we've ever offered. I don't know about you, my eyes are not what they used to be. I'm always complaining about it. I want something I can actually see. You can see these screens. You even have backlit keys, so everything is illuminated, it's glowing, it's very, very easy, even in a darkened room. You've got that dedicated speakerphone that's built right in. You can make those levels as loud as you want so that you can do things hands-free throughout your home. If you're loading up the dishwasher or you're folding the laundry, you have that dedicated call blocking button right here. We love that. That is so important these days. You're gonna be able to block on demand 150 50 names and numbers of people that you don't want to deal with.
So the telemarketers,
Yes.
the robocallers, the political callers, the heating and air conditioning company that's calling for the 17th time, the
drives you
pool
crazy.
care company. I'm not interested. Please take me off your list. I'm not interested. Please take me off your list. Don't ever do that again. Press one button right on the phone and they'll never be able to call you again. And now these phones are also an extension of your cell phone, which is genius.
Exactly. So you have link to cell technology. So even if you got rid of your landline years ago, which some people may have, you're going to be able to use these phones as an extension of your cell phones throughout your entire household with the 4 handsets that we're providing here today. So take a look at this. You are going to be able to wirelessly connect with up to 2 cell phones at a time with Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a technology that's built into any of the cell phones that were manufactured in the last 10 years. So pretty much every phone that we're all using these days has Bluetooth. Then when someone calls you on your cell phone, you're not scrambling in the bottom of your handbag trying to find the phone.
Because all the home phones ring, right?
All of the home phones will ring when someone calls you on your cell phone. So this is really cutting edge, innovative technology that makes life so much easier. Do you have dead spots all the way throughout your entire home where you just can't place or receive phone calls using your cell phone? When you have this technology now all the way throughout your entire home, you've got the best possible spot and great signal.
Just want to give everybody a little bit of a heads up here, okay? You have 10 minutes to shop for them. It's the first airing. Quite frankly, it might be the only airing. In fact, if you want the navy blue, something you've never seen before in home phones, I have less than 400 left. And I want you to notice what's happening right now. It's saying call from mom and dad because it's not sourcing from caller ID, it's sourcing from your cell.
Mom and dad are calling my cell, but I am going to answer from my much more comfortable, not nearly as hot, home phone that always has a perfect signal. Hi. Hey, Mom. I know green is absolutely his color. Yeah, I told him. Well, he heard me because I'm on TV with him. Okay, I love you. Gotta go. I'll call you later. Bye, Mom. Okay, so my mom is a huge fan of Brett, so she always has to watch the show. But the great thing is you don't miss those calls from the people that you love any longer because when that cell phone rings, all of your home phones ring.
And it's genius that it announces what you have programmed into your phone. So if you have mom and dad programmed in, if you want to put something really, really goofy in for your husband and every time they call, you know, it says Stud Muffin is calling or something.
You can totally do that.
It'll actually be programmed into work that way. Now, if you want rose gold, we knew this was going to be a hot seller. It's beautifully accented. Yes, you get caller ID. Yes, you get a digital answering machine. You get all the major features that you would count on any premium set of home phones, but you get a ton of extra bonuses plus the gorgeous colors to go along with it. Rose gold is our #1 top seller. Navy is our most limited. I now have only 300 available to shop for. If it's school colors, if it's for the guy in your life, if it's a gift and you love that look, the navy is our most limited and the only navy set of phones we've ever offered here at HSN. And I just want to remind everybody so you realize the quality that you're buying today. These handsets are $50 every day on hsn.com. One of the black handsets, there it is, $50. You are getting a 4-pack for $99.95. It's basically a buy 2, get 2 free, and you're upgrading your technology, you're upgrading your systems, you're syncing into your cell if that's what you so choose, and buying something that we all need and is one of those purchases we probably haven't made in 10 years because there hasn't been all that much innovation or excitement unless you shop HSN and Panasonic.
And this is a great time, like you said, for an upgrade because here we are towards the end of the year when we're going to be talking to loved ones more than ever before, more than the rest of the year. And the great thing too is when someone calls you on your cell phone and you've got yours connected via Bluetooth, and again, it's a one-time connection process, takes about 20-30 seconds. Then whenever you walk into your home and you have Bluetooth turned on, it'll automatically connect. So it's totally seamless. But someone can call you on your cell phone and you could answer one of the handsets, right? Then if someone calls, maybe it's your husband's phone that's also connected, calls him, he can grab one of the other handsets. So this is like a virtual multi-line system right in your very own home. If you still have that landline too, a third person can pick up one of the other handsets and place a landline call. So this is really expanding the communications in your house.
No singeing the side of your face.
You know,
it's so hot inside, you know, and I was just talking to my good friend Carrie Smith, one of our show hosts here, who's out right now because she had a brand new baby.
Oh,
they just moved into a brand new house and she goes, brand new house, no cell signal. She's like leaning over in the backyard, baby in one arm, phone in the other.
Right.
You know, she can put her cell phone in the part of the house where there's good service and have it plugged in and charging and be able to answer from any other handset that's throughout the house. You know, my newest best friend, Nancy Grace, who was on my show a couple of weeks ago, my Connected Life show. Well, I said my newest best friend, not my always best friend. Nancy said that she believes everybody needs cordless phones throughout the house because if a burglar comes in, if you need to call poison control, if you fall down, your cell phone is one phone and it's somewhere off to the side. Your home phones are everywhere. So it's personal safety and protection, and anybody and everybody in the home can use this. There's no code or password or thumbprint needed to open the phone and use it. So
grab it.
Anybody and everybody who's in the home can take advantage. And today, you get a big, huge 4-pack upgrade for your home. And all you spend is $20. By the way, if you want to gift it, extended holiday returns. Anybody who's setting up a new home, anybody who is a new mom, anybody who's built a new home and says, I have no cell service in my new home.
This is perfect.
It's a wonderful gift, and it's so personal because it's got that link to sell that nobody has. It's got that call blocking that nobody has, and it's in gorgeous colors that nobody has. It is last call navy. And quite frankly, this is the first chance anybody's gotten to see this set of phones.
Brand new.
And we've got already over 300 sold and about 400 or 500 of you in line. I believe by the end of this presentation, half of what we have will be gone. And from what I understand, it's the final supplies of this set that we have for the year.
And take a look at this too. Because you have that synergy via Bluetooth with your cell phone, you have a button right here. This is remote access to your voice assistant. So this is going to work with your Google Assistant, and this is going to work with Siri also. So check this out. Okay, Google, send a text message to Brett Chuckerman.
Text Brett Chuckerman. Sure. What's the message?
Hey, Brett, are you available for lunch today? ?
And the cell phone's just reacting automatically. It's all crossing over immediately for text messaging. You can use it right for Siri and for Hey Google to ask and answer questions.
Any of that.
So now you have a voice assistant on your home phones as well as on your cell. It's the coolest
thing
thing
ever. It tells you everything.
It really
Weather,
is.
anything you want to ask.
Yeah.
Okay, Google, what's the weather like today?
Today's forecast for St. Petersburg is 88 degrees and partly cloudy.
How handy is that? And then when you do go over to your cell phone, which maybe you will and maybe you won't for a while because you're already getting the information, it's already pulled up on your cell phone. Is that brilliant? So now you have access to that assistant for Google or for Siri from every single room in the house with that one little easy, convenient microphone button. We love this system. And it's DEX 6 Plus. So let's just talk you through some of those features really quickly. This is the latest, greatest when it comes to phone technology and to telecommunications. You don't worry about any interference in your home. You don't worry about the Wi-Fi interfering. You don't worry about snapping, crackling, any of those horrible noises. This is crystal clear call clarity with every single call. And the range is great. So you're going to be able to get from about 300 all the way up to nearly 1,000 feet of range away from the base station. So if you have that old clunker phone right now and you take one step too far away from the base and you hear all that horrible static and your kids are saying, Mom, Dad, you've got to get new phones, this is going to be a great, simple, easy to use system for you. And it also happens to be one of the prettiest ones we've ever offered.
It really, it's gorgeous. So that's the rose gold that you're seeing right there. And remember, one button call block so that grandma, mom never has to get the robocall, the telemarketer. Those calls stop coming in during nap time. Those calls stop coming in during dinner time. They will start to reduce instantly and immediately when you start using it. Robocalls, telemarketer calls, home service calls that you just don't want to get anymore. And do you realize that
look, I got a text message.
It's even doing text messages so you don't miss those when those come in.
It's letting me know that I received a text message. And one of the really cool things about this is you are getting a really, really cool Connect to Cell free application for Android users. You're going to be able to turn on notifications for text messaging, for Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram, your social media accounts, and they will come through just like that text message just did. So if you're someone who you're at home, you're enjoying your children, you don't want to be glued to your cell phone, this set of home phones is really an extension of your cell all the way throughout your whole home.
And it also doesn't ever have to be. If you're a no cell phone kind of person and you want great home phones, those are your only source of communication, then you certainly deserve an upgraded, better set. Now, here's what you need to know with only 2 minutes left to go in our presentation. I do believe every single set of Navy phones will sell out this presentation. It's the only chance ever to buy Navy phones if you're getting them as a housewarming gift, if you're getting them, you know, as a gift for a son or a daughter that goes to a high school or college with those colors on it. It's $10 off our price, but more importantly, these are $50 handsets. I'll show it to you right now on our website. These are $50 handsets because they've got DEX 6, because they've got link to cell technology, because they've got call blocking built in. You're getting 4 of them for $100. Not $50 a pop, because you're getting the big, best start to your set and real replacement to what's covered in spaghetti sauce, with what's crackling, with doesn't have a screen, which doesn't announce caller ID, which doesn't ever talk to your cell phone. Now is your chance to be able to grab them and order them while they're available. Wow, with already over 600 sold and about 500 callers in line to get theirs, more than half of the supplies that we have for this special, basically 50% off sale when you price them out per handset, are out the door and gone. Navy will go by the end of the hour. So if you're looking to gift them, or you're finally looking for a better looking, better functioning, more versatile set for your home, this is the right time to get these.
It is, and with that call blocking, I mean, this could be life-changing for you. Maybe you have someone in your life that you just don't want to hear from anymore, or maybe it's all about the telemarketers and all of the things that we're always worried about. Maybe it's a private caller. I'll tell you what, I'm not even interested in this. You're going to be able to block even a private caller. So I'm going to touch blocking button, dedicated button right there, confirm with a yes, and it's going to automatically block that caller so that they can never get through again. But you can block entire ranges of numbers. Maybe there's a whole area code that you're just not willing to accept phone calls from. You're going to be able to block those.
Is it the area code where your family lives?
I mean, I wasn't saying that, but maybe it is. I'm not sure.
I don't know an area code I'm against, but maybe I could.
Either.
But I'm just saying, if you do.
Hey, maybe maybe you had a moment with your family and you're waiting to mend fences. This is a great way to kind of just block the calls in the meantime.
Awkward. Okay.
There might be a better way to handle that.
Last call, Navy. There's only about 50 sets still available in that beautiful navy color. Don't forget that HSN offers great Protection Plus on our electronics. It's hassle-free. There's no deductibles. If something is broken, dropped, spilled on, cracked, we have a full replacement program, and all of our customers have absolutely loved the experience they've had with Square Trade and HSN's Protection Plus. So don't miss it. Now, Lori is going to be back in the next hour with a this day only, a 1 day only flash sale special on our #1 top selling virtual reality brand headset at the lowest price we've ever offered. For 2,000 lucky customers looking to gift virtual reality, looking to try virtual reality, listen, you're getting Bluetooth wireless headphones. Free and included with your purchase, you choose the color. Those are worth $35 by themselves. In fact, if you want them in red, I have 300. If you've ever wanted to try virtual reality, you've got the smartphone. We give you the headset and the earbuds to go along with it. It works with Apple phones, it works with Android phones. And today, for anybody who shops with me for the next 2 hours, it's $11.65 on your credit card. That is it. Okay. So I always get a thrill when I get a chance to present the tablet you're about to see on your screen right now, because at the end of the day, it's the best we've really ever put together, in my own personal opinion. And I know that Aaron Berger will say the same. When we talked about this behind the scenes, you know, it has real GPS built into it, can navigate.
Your favorite thing,
it's got the dual screen concept here, so you could be on Facebook on one side and Pinterest on the other. You could be having a face-to-face call with somebody on one side of it while you're showing and laughing at Facebook photos and videos on the other side of it. This is major, real deal, super expensive computer-style computing. And it actually functions and feels like a laptop computer because it has this MagnaLink stays in place real deal keyboard that you can take off and use it like a tablet. You can now both have the fun and the productivity of a mobile computing device. These two-in-one concepts in the industry are what insider experts are saying are the future of mobile computing, and most of them start at $400 or $500. And they don't have GPS, and they don't have cameras, and they don't have 8, 9, 10-hour battery lives. This is truly the buy of the year, if you ask me, or if you ask the 19,500 customers who have bought this phenomenal 10-inch premium, high-definition, quad-core, expandable memory, newest Android operating system, touchscreen, lablet tab top. it really does feel like both when you want it to. It gives you the best of both worlds. We're giving you headphones today, and you've got gorgeous colors to choose from. Now, with 19,500 sold, we are well past where we're supposed to be. And before even those 19,500 were sold, we've sold over 100,000 RCA tablets in 1 year. I think almost every single one of them has gone on to be a customer pick. And of those 100,000, I think this is the best we've ever done. The perfect size, major features you've never seen before, the real deal keyboard. It's the perfect gift, and you have extended holiday returns. Remember, buy yours right now. By the second, because it's basically 50% off the retail value, and tuck it away as a gift for the nephew, tuck it away as a gift for your husband, tuck it away as a gift for your sister, anybody who needs a tablet, whether it's an upgrade or their first in. I don't think you can get more immersive and entirely, you know, all connected technology for a price like this absolutely anywhere else. I think we've outdone ourselves. RCA has outdone themselves, and this is your chance to get it at the best deal and the best offer we'll have for the rest of the year. $24 on Flex gets it home. We've got two great patterns to choose from, Paisley and Feather, and they're a part of the tablet itself. It's not like a removable case cover. And then we've got our three solid colors. We've got black, we've got purple, and oh my goodness, we've got a few back in our #1 top selling rose gold color. When these go, they're gone. We are challenged to find more tablets. We are challenged to get more tablets manufactured. Prices are all going up, but we're keeping them as low as we possibly can while we have them in stock. Now, Aaron's gonna show you some amazing things. I mean, seriously, demonstrations you would not see on the $1,000 pad at the mall.
They're good. They're good. I mean, even if I do things on myself.
I mean, seriously, with extended holiday returns, get one for yourself, get one as the gift. It's 50% off the retail value. If you hate it, you send them both back.
And you know what we're challenged to find? We're challenged to find tablets with big screens and big memories.
Right.
That's the hardest thing. That's become, you know, in Asia, where most of these things are manufactured, that's become the real challenge for us to source. This is one of the largest screens. It's a 10.1-inch screen. It is the memory. It's one of the largest memories. In fact, it is the largest memory we've ever done on this. It's a 32 gigabyte memory with an expandable memory card slot. That I'll get to that in a minute. Couple of things that you don't ever see me do on the tablet, so it makes it fun for me. Quite frankly, it just breaks it up a little bit. And Brett always teases me about it, because if it's like not my first demo, when I get out here, it's like, okay, where's the multitasking? Let's see the multitasking. Because it's a rock star move. I mean, it's a rock star tablet, and it's a rock star move. This is something, you don't do this on other tablet. Well, I'll take that back. On Samsung tablets, which are $400, $500, $600, I've been able to do this demo. On tablets that are, you know, between $100 and $150, never. So what this means is, on this side, I have the Google Play Store, because this is a Google certified tablet. This is the #1 mobile operating system in the entire world is Android Nougat. Android Nougat is on here. The Google Play Store is native and pre-installed. It takes a lot to be officially a Google certified tablet. That's what this is. So the Google Play Store is up over there, which is millions of games and the world's largest selection of ebooks, all that good stuff. On this side, I have hsn.com. So there's Joy's awesome today's special. Well, there's the little steamer, but there's her today's specials there somewhere. Lots of products with Joy. And you see, I've got both of those running at the same time. Now, if I wanted to go to full screen, I can just take my finger and I can slide over, and yep, you'll see that'll just take over the full screen.
And I gotta just keep doing this. And you get the keyboard.
We're getting there.
A real deal stays in place when you want it. Get real computing done when you're done watching the free movie on the plane. Real deal keyboard with a real deal mouse pad, trackpad. If you don't want to do touchscreen, you get both of these experiences that you're seeing on your screen. The way this has been designed, you can even flip it into that tent viewing reverse mode for hands-free game playing, for hands-free propped up movie viewing and photo slide showing. I mean, look at this. All three of these experiences that you see right here, you get all three. We'll just dance them all around. You get all three of them today for $24 on your credit card. Now, I have been warned by my producer, Aaron, we expect our black to sell out in this presentation. There are less than 400 left. Okay. And if you think 400 is a big number, let me remind you how many of these tablets have sold at our special holiday price. 19,550. We are down to our final 20% that we have to get us through the year. And with extended holiday returns and plenty of flex, I mean, you realize you'll only pay, what, $48 before Christmas. to put this under the tree, to use it yourself while you're traveling to and from with your Christmas plans, whether it's flying, on the train, on the plane, and you'll have that all-in immersive experience. You don't have to schlep the laptop. You don't have to take it out at TSA. The battery life lasts longer. They're rechargeable. I mean, it's too good.
It's the best experience. Well, that's why, you know, about 20,000 people have said, yeah, we sell about 2,000 to 3,000 in airing usually. Let me do this real quick. Before we go any further, I like to do this twice during the airing. Everybody wonders how I hold my tablet with one hand. And, you know, you saw earlier when I was using this, whether in portrait mode or in landscape mode, this is called the G-Hold. And what's really nice is because we include the sleeve on this, the G-Hold folds flat. So the blue and purple are available, Aaron. Is that what you just said, sweetie? Oh, okay, and black. So black, purple, and purple's brand new. Black, purple, and blue are available. And it's nice because when you fold it flat, it still goes right in your case. So that's great, really, for any tablet owner. I think it's a fantastic product. That's additionally available, called the G-Hold. This is what changes everything, of course. Brett beat me to the punch just a little bit, but I don't blame him. That's called the MagnaLink. And what the nice thing is, when you put your tablet on your keyboard, it doesn't use Bluetooth, so it doesn't start to like eat a lot more battery, which Bluetooth does. You don't have to plug it in separately. It has the MagnaLink. So with MagnaLink, you see there's 4 pins, 4 gold pins across the bottom there, and the magnetic connection. And that means that the keyboard works right away and it works instantly. So now you have a computer, really a laptop computer with a touchpad. Now, one of the things that I like to point out, maybe it's self-evident, but yes, there's a touchpad, but of course, it's still touch screen, you know, so you can touch the screen all you want, but if you want to use that as a mouse pad, that's great. And when you think about it, just going from a computer that isn't touchscreen to a computer that is touchscreen, same spec. You know, this of course is like quad core and 10-inch and all that. It's usually about $100 to $150 upgrade just to go to touchscreen. You now have a touchscreen on the go computer. You even have ports on the side. You have front and rear facing cameras. You also have ports on the side like a micro USB, a full-size USB, an HDMI, and even a mini SD card slot. You can quadruple your memory just by popping in an extra memory card.
You know, I mean, seriously, we have a lot of great offers. We do a lot of great giftables. Electronics are a big hot selling category at this time of the year. This, I believe, is one of, if not the best tablet offers, presentations, and full all-in immersive buys that maybe we've ever done here at this network. And that's why it's been one of our fastest selling. I mean, Aaron told you, in the history of this product, we sell about 2,000 to 3,000 every time it comes to air. If that happens, there are 2 more chances to shop for it and no future stock available through the end of the year. And when you have extended holiday returns and when you get 50% off, it's the right time to say, I need one for travel. My screen is small, my battery is dying, my screen is cracked, I'm running Android applesauce. I mean, it's way, way, way past the point of no return. This is the time to get one for yourself and to pick up that second one and have it set and ready for you to give as a gift. And if you don't love yours, we'll take them both back. No questions asked, and we'll have no problem selling it to somebody else because we've sold over 100,000 RCAs in under a year, and it is our fastest selling one that we've ever done. Now, we only have 10 minutes left to go. It is a fair warning opportunity to shop. If you want the classic black, if you're gifting and you don't know what color they love, I have 300 left in black, and that is it. It will be followed closely by the purple that's down to only about 400. We've got the hottest selling rose gold back in stock with the final quantities of the year. We've got your feather and we've got your paisley available as well, but it really will exceed every single expectation you've ever had for a tablet, whether you spent 3, 4, 5 times the price of what we're offering ours for today.
Absolutely. I've only got 10 minutes and I've got about 30 minutes worth of demonstration, so I guess I'd better get going then, right? One of the things I think many of us have been disappointed in the past when we bought a pad or another expensive tablet that hasn't had good voice recognition. Remember, this is Google. Google is the #1 mobile operating system in the world, so you get to expect a lot. We are absolutely okay with you having very high expectations. You can set your expectations high for this. So if you want to talk to the tablet, you press the little microphone button and you could say, how many days until Christmas?
Christmas Day will be in 65 days.
All right, 65 days. So we are pretty much getting down to it here.
I think everybody in the building just panicked.
I know. We just had a little heart palpitations. Yeah. We have emergency medical people on standby. Let's see. How about something like this? How about what movies are playing? I really like this one.
Here are the movies playing near St. Petersburg.
I like it because it's kind of a pain. You know, usually I go to like the individual movie houses or movie theaters to see what's playing. This gives you all the movies that are playing. It gives you time. You see how diverse this is if you're a sports fan. And I'm a Lightning fan. I live right across from the stadium. So how about this? Tampa Bay Lightning roster.
The roster for Tampa Bay Lightning includes Steven Stamkos.
There we go. There's my fellas. We're going to have a good year. I can feel it. We're off to a good start.
And listen to that. It actually starts to name them all out for you. I mean, it really is a one-of-a-kind immersive experience. And he's saving the best for last, aren't you?
The GPS. Yeah, I am indeed.
Yeah.
So I'll get right to that. How about we'll go visit Brett's people. How about navigate to Chicago? You still have family in Chicago?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Chicago. Yeah.
I always try to do whoever my host. You know, if Alice is out here, we go to Dallas.
The sad thing is none of them are really there anymore. My peeps ain't in Chicago, but it still feels like my peeps.
Still like to go visit,
yes,
right?
Yes.
So now we know it's 16 hours and 58 minutes to Chicago. But here's the big thing. Here's the big thing. This tablet has something that maybe 5% of the tablets we sell have, and that is it has GPS built in. So not only when you're on Wi-Fi can you get directions, or Bluetooth for that matter. It does have a Bluetooth connection too. This has a GPS chip inside it. So like when you buy a 5 or 6 inch GPS, and usually probably spend, I guess, around $100, $150, probably $149 is probably typical for a 5 inch GPS. This is a 10 inch high definition in-plane switching screen. When you buy a GPS, it has a GPS chip in it so that it can geolocate you wherever you are. It uses satellites above to do that. Your new tablet has that same technology, so it can give you, if you download that map before you go, it will give you turn-by-turn directions.
So let me just stop for a second. A 5-inch GPS device that does nothing but GPS, has no keyboard, has no cameras, has no games, is $160. You now have a 10-inch quad-core GPS device that works turn-by-turn directions even when there is no Wi-Fi, because it has a real GPS device built into it. You just got $50 off the price of your GPS, and the rest of the tablet fun is all for you. So now when somebody's in the car, you can do so much more. You can be entertained but still get turn-by-turn directions. You can, you know, write emails and send them out when you get to somewhere where there's Wi-Fi but still get turn-by-turn directions. All of it is built in with cameras on both sides, with the newest operating system. It is the tablet that will exceed your expectations of all tablets you've ever owned before, or be the best first way in that you've ever seen. It can replace a small laptop for a ton of people out there. It can be your travel workhorse that's both fun and play, entertainment and productivity. It can be the best tablet gift you've ever given, because you're giving somebody both the fun and entertainment that they want and the productivity and connection that you know that they need for school, for work, for travel, for absolutely everything. And you do it all today for less than $1 a day on your credit card, with better than a 60-day money-back guarantee, because you have till the end of January to make sure that this tablet exceeds your expectations regardless of the price that you're going to pay. And in our final few minutes together here, I just want to remind you, it's 50% off. Look at the retail value to buy everything we include for you today is $241. You get it for half of that price today. So maybe that's permission. One for you to use through the holiday season, and make sure it's the tablet worth giving to your sister Christmas morning, because she knows where you live. And if she hates it, you're going to hear about it forever. Get it home, use it for yourself. If you're not in love with it, send them both back. But when you realize it's the best you've ever owned, now you'll be so thrilled that you have it set and ready to give it the holiday season. Now, we just officially crossed 20,000 of these tablets.
Wow.
We are officially calling this the fastest selling tablet offer we've ever put together, and for good reason. Join over 20,000 people who've said, yes, this is the one I've been looking for. This is the price worth paying. If you want it in solid classic black, I have 200 left. If you want it in solid purple, I have 300 left.
What about feather? Feather is my favorite this time around.
You
It's
do
brand
love
new.
those
It's so
patterns.
cool.
We've got feather, we've got paisley.
Never done it before.
But if you want black or purple, this may be your last chance to shop for those two colors for the rest of the year.
I'll take a quick look. I've got, again, a lot to do, so I'm going to kind of move on. This has what's called an in-plane switching screen. When you go to the mall, when you spend, you know, a lot of money on a pad, you get an in-plane switching screen, and that's what you're getting in your new tablet, okay? The tablet next to it, this is a high-definition screen, but it's not in-plane switching. Buyer beware, caveat emptor, right? Very important to know what you're getting. So what this means is, Your screen is more resolute, has better intensity, has better value in terms of color value, all of those kind of things. And then when you look at it from the side, this is where it really separates itself. So most tablets, you know, if you look 90 degrees, you're doing okay. But look, do you see that? When you look at it from the side, your tablet you can see from all sides. And this is a reason to get it home and try it all by itself, because if you're playing games with your kids, or you're watching a movie, or whatever it is that you're doing, you want to be able to see the tablet from all sides. You can see a high definition screen that isn't in plane switching, doesn't allow that. Your new tablet does. Moving on real quick to one more demo before I run over to the TV. We'll take an overhead look at my tablet. You can write on this tablet. It has handwriting recognition. Remember, this is the latest version of the Android operating system. This is Android Nougat, so if you write notes, even in Chicken Scratch, it sees what you're writing and understands what you're writing. If you talk to the tablet, you see that little button right there? Ooh, there we go. This is how easy it is to talk to your tablet instead of typing on your tablet, period. Anything that comes to mind, you could speak pretty quickly and pretty casually, and the tablet does all of the work for you, period. Amazing for kids in school. Amazing for them to take notes, or actually let the tablet take notes for them. Amazing for work, amazing for keeping up with email, great for journaling, great for writing down your thoughts of the day, period. You name it. If you can think of it, the tablet can do all the typing for you. Exclamation point. Exclamation point. I just like to end emphatically.
And nobody but Aaron and I speak that fast. So for you, it'll capture everything.
You have to be highly trained.
I mean, seriously, we don't breathe. We just talk. It just defies nature. We're just so thrilled to be able to do this this time of the year, any time of the year. A tablet keeps you connected to friends and family. You can have face-to-face free conversations through Skype. It allows you to be on Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter or whatever's coming down the pipeline next. You can do it from absolutely anywhere and always be entertained and enjoy. And remember, this functions and feels like a miniature computer with real keys, with a real trackpad, with real quad-core processing, and it's not $700, $800 to be able to do it. So it really is an exciting moment and opportunity to upgrade your tablet and to gift a tablet. I'm getting updates by the moment. It is officially the final 100 RCA Premium 10-inch 2-in-1s in solid classic black. Over 20,300 sold, with 600 callers in line to get theirs right now. Black will absolutely sell out by the end of this presentation. Purple may also go. If you want solid colors for gifts or for yourself, I highly recommend getting your order in right now. Rose gold is always our most popular, our fastest seller, and it is that again. We had the most made, but it's also starting to get very, very limited. But these two will most likely go during this presentation. And remember, extended holiday returns and 50% off the retail value today. So it's permission. One for you and one for the tech-savvy person in your life so you can learn and use them together. One for you and one for your husband so you can have face-to-face calls from across the country. One for you to use right now for the traveling, for the recipe cooking, for everything you want a great tablet for this holiday season, and then one to tuck away to use as the best tablet gift you've ever given. We only have a few seconds left to go. Aaron, what else you got for me?
I'm going to be really fast. I want to show you guys two things over here. Number one, I want to remind you, this is called the G-Hold. If you wonder how I hold my tablet in one hand, I can't recommend it highly enough. We have it in pink, we have it in blue, we have it in black, and it folds flat so it goes right in the sleeve that we include. I think it's such a great addition, great stocking stuffer. And then finally, another upgrade to the tablet is the ability to do what's called screencasting. You see, what's on my screen right now is wirelessly on the television behind me. On any Wi-Fi TV, on any smart TV, you can do this, whether you're watching Netflix or Hulu, or you're on hsn.com, or you're even doing what I'm doing right now, which is going into the Google Play Store, where you can download over 1 million games and apps, the world's largest selection of ebook, all that good stuff. I can spend a lot of time over here, but I can't. I don't have time to do it, so I'm going to just walk right across and enjoy
So yes, our presentation is coming to a close right now, but continue to order it. Stay with us while you can get it. Black is officially will be gone in the next couple of moments. I don't want to take it away because I don't want anybody to hang up that's looking for it, but with 600 in line and 60 now remaining, black will not be available by the end of this presentation. Purple very well may be gone as well by the next time you see this. Now, Aaron and I are actually supposed to present this tablet tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen.
Have enough.
I don't think there's going to be enough in stock for several more hits on this. If you want it for you, for a gift, it's a wonderful opportunity to shop for it. You've got extended returns and, of course, that 50% off retail value, special opportunity to shop for it. Now, you know, we feature a great collection of hot items every single day. If you had a great tablet, you could search hot items on your tablet. Never miss a single one of them. They change every day, and today we have these awesome Vapor Active Lightweight Gloves. You know Mission, the brand that gives us cooling towels? They've created gloves that help keep your hands warm but aren't bulky and heavy and hot on your hands, so you'll actually wear them through the season. And they're a hot item of the day, no pun intended. They're on Flex and free shipping. You can also always shop for a gift card. Not sure what color tablet they want, not sure whether they want gloves or a hat for the holiday season. If you love shopping at HSN and you want to give the gift of shopping at HSN, you can get a gift card for any amount and we can direct it right to the recipient with a note from you. It's another great way to shop with us. We've got more of your favorite electronics coming up. Stay with us.
At HSN, we have more gifts than ever before, so it's the perfect time to get your HSN card. Save $20 when you apply and are approved. Plus, get extra flex on all the items you love with VIP financing for those larger purchases. Get an additional $10 off your next purchase when you receive your new card in the mail, all with no annual fee. Apply now. Call 1-800-695-1418 or search HSN card at hsn.com. More gifts, more brands, more friends, more merry.
Here at HSN, we base our retail values on nationwide information. Retail value is an indication of the price you would expect to pay for the same or similar item elsewhere, not the price at which you would be able to sell the item. Prices do vary around the country, so ours might be different from prices in your area. For more information, call one of our customer service reps at 1-800-284-3900.
Thank goodness Joe Harrison is here to the rescue. I feel like we ship him to your door when you shop for Fix Me Stick, because it's like having your own personal computer engineer.
That's right.
Somebody who is able to go deep down inside your computer and actually kill any virus that's inside of it. Your antivirus that runs every single day, it's like brushing your teeth, right? It will quarantine a virus. It will keep it from ruining your computer, but it doesn't actually get it out of your computer. Now, Fix Me Stick is different. Fix Me Stick for both PC and for Macintosh, which is now susceptible to viruses, goes into your computer and is like the trip to the dentist. It actually cleans and clears the viruses out without adding any extra software onto your computer, without ever slowing it down. It is like taking your computer in to a computer engineer, to the squad of geeks, and paying a la carte. Now, we've sold hundreds of thousands. I mean, truly, this is a absolute must-have product to buy for anybody who owns a computer. And I want you to take a listen to what it's all about so that you understand. And then I'm going to tell you why everybody else has to pay per year for it. When you buy with us, it's not only a better value, it's not only giftable, but you pay once and you never pay again. But first, take a listen. See what Fix Me Stick's about.
I love Fix Me Stick customer service because I can call them, reach another person at the end of the line who's helpful, friendly, and explains things to me in a way that I understand them.
When I first started using the Fix Me Stick, I used it on my computers, I tried it on friends' computers. Every single one of them had some sort of malware, even though they had virus protection up front, and the Fix Me Stick was able to clear all of them out.
I have 3 kids who are always downloading games that can have viruses that can really slow down the computer. With the Fix Me Stick, I plug it in and I can fix the problem myself.
Okay, so now you get it. It's plug in, it's done. You don't worry about anything. You don't have to deal with absolutely anything. Now let me just help you understand why you buy it now, why you buy it at HSN. Fix Me Stick, everywhere else it's available, is $60 per computer per year, okay? $60 per computer per year. You're getting 4 computers for a lifetime. So we're talking about a $240 per year value for $69.95. I mean, Joe, if you think about what we spend on a computer,
right?
If you went to checkout after buying that computer, sure, and the checkout person said, for less than $20, I'll guarantee you'll never get a virus.
It's fantastic.
You'll never have to bring it in and turn it over for a week. You'll never be worried that your photos and your documents and your programs are all going to be zapped and gone.
Right.
Wouldn't you pay it?
Absolutely, especially for a lifetime. To know that I don't have to take it back to the store. I don't have to wonder what's going on, because unfortunately, viruses are a fact of life. Every single day, there are about 400,000 new viruses that come out. And viruses aren't good. They're designed to harm your computer. And what ends up happening is you'll start to go online, and then you'll start to download viruses in the background, Trojans and malware, and then your computer starts to act up. And then you think, oh, something's wrong. I don't know what to do. Why is it taking longer to turn on today? Why, when when I get online, are there all these pop-up ads? Is this stuff that's happening to you? Your computer's acting as if it's sick. It's truly slowing down because of all the viruses that are in the background. So what do you need to do? A lot of us, for so many years, we start to run our antivirus program. But unfortunately, viruses are getting smarter. Your antivirus program can only scan about 10% of all the files that are on your computer. It only scans the active files. With Fix Me Stick, it's the only product of its kind that scans 100% of the files. The active ones and all those files that are sleeping on your computer, waiting to become activated. And that's what Fix Me Stick does, is it scans everything to get rid of the viruses, get rid of the Trojans, get rid of the malware, to make sure your computer is truly clean. Now, in the last few years, there have really been some very bad things that have happened in the computer industry. There are new types of viruses. For the last 20, 30 years, we just had to worry about viruses that were going to delete our photos. But now it starts to get personal. Now there are viruses that are out there that are designed to steal your information. There are things called ransomware, which last year, really this year, is one of the craziest years. They had something new called WannaCry virus, and there's also one called the Petra virus. And what those viruses have done is they've locked down your computer, and you had to pay somebody, wire somebody money in order to unlock your computer. Your computer is literally hostage, and at that moment, you would have paid as much as you could to get back into your system. You don't have to worry about that anymore, because with Fix Me Stick, it's going to get rid of all those viruses that are lying on your computer. Now, I'm going to show you how easy this is. As soon as you plug this into your computer, you tap it into the USB port, and it works on any computer. It could be an HP that we're using here, could be a Dell, could be an Acer, could be a Mac. Yes, if you have a Mac, you can get a virus too.
And you do have to buy it for Mac, just FYI. You have to buy it specifically for Mac if you're an Apple computer user. We've officially been told Macintosh computers, Apple computers are now officially susceptible to viruses. I've seen some weird pop-up things showing up on mine. You think about the price for a Mac computer. Remember, 4 licenses, 4 computers, lifetime protection for the price that you're spending today. Compare the price of those machines, the value of what's on them, and what you pay to protect them.
Absolutely.
Plug and play, never worry about it, run it as often as you want.
The thought of all my photos being gone,
goodness,
the thought of all my documents, all of my kids' work that's on the computer, it could be gone in just a split second because of a virus that's hanging on there. There are about 500 million known viruses, and they're all designed to harm your system. The best way to really get rid of all of it is through Fix Me Stick. Now, Fix Me Stick was actually generated by 2 software engineers who worked in the antivirus field for over a decade. They knew there had to be an easier solution, and that's when they came up with Fix Me Stick, and this is how easy it is. Take the cap off, plug it into your computer. That's step 1, insert into your PC. Step 2, double-click, run Fix Me Stick. You come back 2 to 3 hours later, and now your computer's fresh, it's fast, it's clean, just like it was brand new right out of the box again.
I mean, if we all had the time and it was free, we'd get our teeth cleaned professionally every single week.
Absolutely.
You'd have the mechanic change the oil in your car. Every single week, your car would run perfectly. It would last twice as long. That's what you're doing to your computer. I mean, your computer is one of the biggest investments. It's one of the most expensive devices in your home, and what's on it is priceless. I mean, your family photos, your music files, the paperwork, the history. I mean, your life is on your computer, and a virus can kill all of it instantly and immediately. You can use this every single night if you want. You can run it once a week. You turn it on, you plug it in at the end of the night, and just go to bed. In the morning, it's like a concierge doctor came over in the middle of the night. And what you're not doing is losing your computer for a week, turning it over to a stranger who, if they're smart enough to know how to get to your viruses, who's not to say they're not getting to your passwords and your credit card information, and holding your breath and crossing your fingers. If you have family members in college or in high school, they cannot go a week without their computer, and they never have to worry about it when you've got Fix Me Stick. You know, if you click on something weird and you're like, oh, what did I just do? That Facebook thing is just odd and strange. Just plug in Fix Me Stick and slowly walk away. And it's always updated. It's always the newest, latest, and greatest. The first thing it does is it updates itself, so you'll never have to buy it again. And it's $60 per computer per year, every single other place you shop for it. Now, we only have 8 minutes left in our presentation. It is our lowest, best ever price. I mean, it truly is our best deal for the holiday season on 4 licenses. If you're going to buy a computer, wonderful protective addition to your order today. If you're running computers through the holiday season, if you are an Apple user and you spent thousands of dollars on these systems and you're starting to see that they are now susceptible to threats, to viruses, we now have Fix Me Stick available for Apple computers as well, for Macs. It is available now. It's a phenomenal special deal, and I don't know where we come up with the retail values. We have some weird legal mumbo jumbo, but it's $60 per computer per year everywhere else. So this is $240 per year in virus removal and protection that you're getting for $17.50 on a credit card.
When Fix Me Stick first came out in 2012, it's been that way. Hundreds of thousands of people are spending $60 every single year. Only here at HSN do you get that lifetime of use. And like Brett mentioned, this is also lifetime of updates. As soon as you plug this in to your computer, and it really works with any computer over the last 10 years, not just the new computers. It could be a Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. What happens is it automatically runs this entire program for you. Step 1, it makes sure you're online. Step 2, 3, and 4, it's downloading the latest virus and antivirus definitions. Now, every single time it updates to the stick. It doesn't update to your computer to slow it down. So now you're getting the latest version every single time. Now, step 5, this is when we start to scan. Now, this bar right here, that represents my hard drive. Now, normally, how long does it take you to run your antivirus? Like 10 or 15 minutes, because it only scans the active files, a small portion. We've already been running over 40 minutes. I haven't even hit half my hard drive. That's the difference between antivirus and Fix Me Stick, is it scans 100% of the files. It scans every single file that's on your computer, and it won't stop for over an hour until every single file has been scanned. But notice across the top, this is just a sample unit computer that we use here at HSN. It already says computers at risk. This is not somebody's personal computer where they're going to Google and they're going to your sports sites and you're going to your shopping sites. This is just a virus has now come onto this computer just by turning it on. That's the danger that's out there, is that every single day there are about 400,000 new viruses that come out. They're designed to find your computer and start to harm that computer, to slow it down. Or do you ever get online and then you get all these annoying pop-up ads? You're wondering what's going on? It's because you have viruses in the background. And the other great way to find out if you're being tracked is go to hsn.com, click on Fix Me Stick, and then go to another website. Do you see an advertisement for Fix Me Stick that you just saw? Do you ever see that when you're online? You saw it, clicked on something, then 5 minutes later it pops up on another website? You're being tracked, you're being hacked, you have something that's stealing your resources, and the only way to get rid of it is to run Fix Me Stick. Now the other thing is, I know you probably run your antivirus program. What happens when you do that, at the end, it says, here's a long list of viruses that we found. And it says, let's quarantine them. It essentially means let's put a bubble around those viruses, and now those viruses are living on your computer. The only way to truly get rid of a virus is to run an external device, and this is perfect for you.
And that's why when you run it, within the first couple of weeks, your computer will run faster.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, just in daily operation, it will run better because those viruses that are inactive but sitting on your computer get wiped and cleared away. I want you to stop for a moment and think about this. We have recurring costs for the most important and expensive things in our lives, right?
Yeah.
I mean, our home, there's bills every single month, there's utility bills, you know, there's maintenance costs involved. Our cars, they have maintenance costs, they have monthly expenses involved. Your computer needs to be maintained so it will last longer and run better, right? I mean, every month we buy toothpaste and we go to them. I mean, there are costs involved with maintaining the things that are important to us and that we use every single day. This is the least expensive way to get the most comprehensive protection for one of your most valuable and most important possessions that you own. It may not be the most exciting purchase that you make this holiday season, but it certainly is one of the smartest and most affordable that you can find. Everybody can take advantage. Remember, you are getting 2 sticks and there's 2 licenses on each one. So you can send one to your grandkids who are in high school or in college who can't be without their computers, and then you can have one that's for you and for your spouse, whether it's HP, whether it's Windows 10, whether it's Acer, whether it's Dell, whether it's Windows 7, or now, even if it is an Apple computer, we've got you covered, we've got you protected, and you're getting a value that's worth $240 per year everywhere else. And I know so many people who bought it after they went to the squad of geeks, and they spent $100+. They were without their computer for a week. They come home the next day, and they got another virus.
Right, it happens so often because we're always online. It's not like we skip not going online for an entire month. We're online every single day. And pretty much anytime you're online, you're opening your computer up to about 500 million known viruses. Now, I know in the past, you probably have bought one antivirus solution and you rely on that one company. Well, Fix Me Stick, they added something new this time. It's called Scan Array, where they actually have up to 10 different scanners, 10 different antivirus scanners that are now teamed up to make sure your computer is clean. So what happens is when we start to scan the computer, it now sends all that scanning list to the global known viruses that are out there and gets rid of them. It's having 10 antiviruses instead of just one. It's like going to the doctor and instead of just getting one opinion, you get 10 doctors' opinions. Because now with this new scan array, every single file is getting scanned up to 10 times. And when we talk about scanning, this isn't just like a partial scan. This is every single file. I'd like to think of antivirus as like brushing your teeth. You do that a couple times a day, but then you go to the dentist for a deep clean and you really get the clean. That's like the trip to the dentist. And if you do want to have somebody else do this, you can take your computer to one of the largest electronics stores in the United States. They charge about $100 to scan your computer one time, and then you lose your computer for a week. This you scan as many times as you want for as long as you own that computer for a lifetime. And I don't even do this in my household. It's my daughter who's in elementary school. Every Friday night, she runs around to our computers, and she says, it's Fix Me Stick time, and we run it at night. That way, because it takes a couple of hours. It's unlike anything you've ever seen. But when I wake up Saturday morning, that computer is fast, it's fresh, it's clean all again because I used my Fix Me Stick. But in the past, I've only had one Fix Me Stick, so I can only run one computer at a time. Today, we're giving you 2 Fix Me Sticks, so now you can actually run 2 computers at the same time. You pick your color, everybody gets black, and then you get an additional color to choose from, but both of them have a lifetime of use that you can run as many times, whether it's every single day, once a week, once a month, and as soon as you plug that into your computer, it starts a deep clean and brings your computer speed back to life again.
And even if you only have 2 computers in your family, you've got friends, you've got neighbors, you've got somebody else who'll pay for the other half of this. I mean, seriously, it is less than $20 per computer. What is the price of your computer? What is the cost of your computer? What is the cost of a new computer or the cost of, geek maintenance? You'll never spend that again. You'll never lose your system. You'll never wait in line for 2 hours and sacrifice your most important electronic to a stranger. It is such a worthwhile, necessary investment. We spend the money to go to the dentist.
Yes, we do.
We spend the money to go get our oil changed because we want our very expensive car to drive well and last as long as it possibly can. That's what you're investing in today for a fraction of the price.
And the thing about it, too, is you think about all the other companies that are out there. Just think about the news that you've heard in the last week. How many companies do you hear of that have been hacked, that are spending millions of dollars to protect their computers, and they've still been hacked? Yahoo lost over 3 billion of their accounts information, user account information out there. Equifax this year, that was a big one. Over 198 million people have had their information out there. There have been hospitals that have been shut down. And again, those are companies that are spending millions of dollars. Today, you spend $17.50 per computer, and then it's protected for a lifetime. You run it as much as you want, and that's really going to get rid of all those viruses to make sure your computer's safe, it's clean, and you can have a great experience again.
It is the most affordable way to protect one of your most valuable and important possessions. Joe, really do appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
I mean, it's so incredibly simple.
Absolutely.
Makes it so easy for everybody. We really do appreciate it. So continue to shop for it. Our lowest price, really our best value ever with Fix Me Stick, with close to 200,000 sold, and nobody's getting the deal that you're getting today for the start of our special holiday offer. Now, speaking of deals that only happen for those of you shopping right now, we know that virtual reality is one of the hottest selling devices and gifts to give at the holiday season. We have a one-day only special. It's basically a flash sale for this hour only. It's Utopia Virtual Reality. Take a look.
Brace yourself. You're about to embark on a journey. Immersive worlds, simulated games, 3D movies. The possibilities are limitless. Just pick your adventure and enjoy the ride. Utopia 360. Experience a world beyond your imagination.
Well, I'm here. I don't know where Lori is. I'm guessing she's either on a roller coaster or surfing or that's a roller coaster, isn't it?
It's a roller coaster.
It's a roller coaster. That's right. Sitting comfortably next to me, and she is riding a roller coaster, not waiting in line, not getting a sunburn, not having her cell phone stolen. This is virtual reality at its very, very finest, and we're doing a one-day only flash sale. We had a very limited supply, one-time deal that we worked out with the team at Utopia. They're our #1 fastest-selling brand of virtual reality headsets. You have the smartphone. There's thousands and thousands of hours of free content on YouTube, and even major movies are starting to be made in virtual reality mode. All you need is a is a great headset to get started. Today, the lowest price we have ever offered for our 360 headset, and you get free wireless Bluetooth sport headphones. They're even separately boxed if you want to give them as a gift. You basically pay for the earbuds.
Right.
And you get the virtual reality headset for free for those of you who are shopping with us right now. It is a one-day only deal in terms of the price, but with over 200 already ordered and only 2,000 available in stock, it's a this hour only deal. Extended holiday returns works with every major smartphone brand that's out there in the industry right now. For less than 50 cents a day, get it home, just try it out, see what it's all about. Get a fun, immersive, one-of-a-kind gift that's unlike anything else that anybody's ever owned at the holiday season. Do it for a totally affordable price and know that everybody can get access to thousands of hours of entertainment, of content, under the sea, up in the sky, on a roller coaster, taking a journey of a foreign land from the privacy and comfort of your own home. It's only for those of you shopping right now that you're getting this sales special that we have available. We're already at over 225 sold. All you do is choose the color of the earbuds that you want to go along with it while Lori goes up and back down again. If you want red sport earbuds, I have 200 pairs left and available for you. We've got 500 in teal and the rest are going to be in the black color. It's a $68 value for $34.95. It's a screaming deal.
And it's so much fun.
And you're going to literally be screaming in a minute.
I was screaming. So I was riding this crazy roller coaster. I was jumping out of an airplane, doing some skydiving before that. Then I was diving under the ocean. And you said it, this is so much fun because actually virtual reality is the future of any and all entertainment because now you're going to feel like you're there. This is surrounding you, 360 degrees happening all around you. You just bring your own cell phone. You simply pop it right in here. It's fully adjustable. So this is going to work with cell phones up to about 6 inches. And this works with Android, it works with Apple. You are getting this super soft, cozy, comfy headset.